Hello everyone, welcome to NSN's YouTube channel National Skills Network. I am Sahitya. So in this video today, I will be talking about welding skills in the times of Industry 4.0. This will be an overview video where we will be talking about welding skills needed in the age of Industry 4.0, smart factories, the role of big data, the need for highly skilled and tech-savvy workforce, and why all this is important not just for the large industries, but also for the small and medium scale enterprises. So without much delay, let's get into the topic. But before we do, let me remind you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to not miss any such interesting videos from us in the future. As we all know, the world of manufacturing is making a quantum leap with robots, self-organizing production, augmented reality, automation, and self-diagnosis by the machines. And at the heart of all this change is data. It is the data from all these machines that drive outcomes like mass customizations, minimized errors, and better customer satisfaction. In other words, machines are becoming smarter and the factories are becoming smart factories. So what are smart factories? Smart factories is the term used to refer highly digitized shop floor that continuously collects and shares data through connected machines, devices, and production systems. As welding is an integral part of this manufacturing sector, it is also undergoing a positive change with new technologies and processes. Thanks to Internet of Things, welding is a high-tech process that is as sensitive to the influence of processors, control systems, and software as it is to the welding torches, electrodes, or shielding gas. Industry 4.0 and Internet of Things will not only impact and improve the manual welding processes, but also robotic and automated welding processes. Also, it is important to note that this change is not just for the large manufacturing units, but also for the small and medium-sized enterprises. These new technologies, tools, equipment call for highly skilled and tech-savvy employees to work with smart systems. This not only requires new skilling, but also reskilling and upskilling of the existing workforce. The welding industry will need an increasing number of skilled workforces who are agile, adaptable, and have knowledge beyond the fundamentals of welding. Now let us understand welding in the age of Industry 4.0 in brief. Technological advancements and the internet have brought a new era of communication in the industries. Today, machine to enterprise, machine to man are all connected in web of communication. This is where the importance of big data lies. These changes around the world in the field of manufacturing are bound to bring the much needed revolution in the way the industries work. This calls for the need for highly skilled workforce who are well aware of the new age technologies like automation, Internet of Things, big data, robotics, etc. So how is big data becoming an integral part of welding processes? Through big data and data documentation in welding, we will be able to find data from any source and analyze it. Today, no welding process can be seen in isolation from the other. Collecting data, processing it, analyzing it helps the end users detect the imperfections and errors in the process of various units of production. This will help the companies make their machines and even their entire production lines more powerful and efficient. As I mentioned earlier, this will be an overview video. Let me now take you through some of the articles we have written on our website extensively on welding skills and Industry 4.2 and how big data is changing the welding process. As I have mentioned earlier, big data is now becoming an integral part of welding processes. So let us look at the 5 ways in which big data can improve these welding processes. First is transparency. So collecting the data creates transparency and traceability of each of the component produced and also of the each individual step. Next is optimization. Every welding technology and welding process not only demands high welding speeds but also minimal errors. And this minimal errors can be achieved by optimizing these welding processes, and that can be achieved through big data. Next is quality management. Big data helps manufacturers observe and monitor parameters like voltage, current, wire speed, or welding speed and helps them analyze it to achieve quality. Next is transfer of data. Through big data and related softwares, manufacturers will be able to transfer the data in less than 5 minutes. And this data can be accessed by multiple employees in the organizations on various platforms. The fifth way is product improvements. Big data allows product stability, makes way for cost effective manufacturing, and it will help companies revert back to the customers quickly and thereby significantly improving the quality of the product and services. So, unlike the misconception, like the buzzwords of big data, Industry 4.0, etc., are not only about large industries, they're equally important to small and medium scale enterprises. It is because manufacturers of all sizes need tools and systems to measure the performance of production process to ensure that they are delivering quality products. Along with this, by digitizing and monitoring well data, one can identify the errors, get an entire picture of the production process, streamline the welding process, and therefore make the overall production process efficient. Apart from the advantages that I just mentioned, some of the advantages of data documentation for the small and medium scale enterprises as well as the large industries is it provides real time information on processes, availability of accurate data to the employees, it saves time and money, reduction in rework and errors, and helps in identifying the bottlenecks. So, the well monitoring systems and digital connectivity offer the competitive advantage of minimizing the rework and rejections to small and medium sized enterprises and thereby keeping customers happy. With so many advantages of adopting new technologies comes the challenge of finding the right people. The skill requirement also evolved over the years along with new age technologies. Though Industry 4.0 is going to have a significant impact on the job roles in this domain, it will not take away the jobs of the welders. With the right reskilling, upskilling, and new skilling, and adequate knowledge on the latest technologies like automation and robotics, one is bound to move high up the ladder in the manufacturing sector. This will make welders more employable in the highly competitive and high demand industry. If you want to learn more on Industry 4.0 welding skills and what are the skills for new age welding with automation and robotics, what kind of job roles are emerging, and the role of big data in welding, please don't forget to check the links given in the description box below. Or you can also visit our website www.nationalskillsnetwork.in and you can come to the tab on the right side here where you can see Froniers. Please click there and it will take you to the page where we have the information on the latest technologies, the skills required by students, industry academia collaborations, what is the industry expecting from the students, what kind of role do welding trainers play, virtual welding and welding in various industries like automotive industry, construction, shipbuilding, underwater welding, and so much more. We will leave all these links in the description box below. Please don't forget to check them out. So that's all from me today in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family who would find it useful. Before I leave, I would like to remind you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to not miss any updates from us in the future. Thank you.